Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Dethatchers is probably one of the most crucial tools for any homeowner looking to maintain a lush, healthy lawn, as it directly tackles the layer of dead grass and debris that suffocates your turf, preventing essential nutrients, water, and air from reaching the soil and roots, ultimately leading to a greener, more vibrant yard with improved resilience against pests and diseases. Number 5. Agri-Fab 45-0294 40 inches toe behind lawn Dethatcher. Introducing the Agri-Fab 45-0294, your ultimate solution for a healthier lawn. This toe-behind Dethatcher is designed to make lawn maintenance a breeze. Its powerful design effectively uproots dead, matted grass and dislodges packed dirt. Prepare your lawn for new growth with ease. Equipped with 20 durable spring steel tines, it easily removes thatch. It penetrates and turns up dried grass, weeds, and soil across a 40-inch path. The rust-proof, replaceable spring-loaded tines are heat-treated for maximum durability. This ensures long-lasting performance season after season. Featuring a convenient transport handle, you can effortlessly raise and lower the tines. It's designed for easy operation and storage. Proudly made in the USA, this Dethatcher is built with quality and reliability in mind. Invest in a tool that will keep your lawn looking its best. What we like. If you have a large lawn and a tractor, this is the one to consider. Its wide 40-inch swath covers a lot of ground quickly. The durable spring tines are designed to effectively uproot dead grass and dislodge packed dirt, ensuring a healthier lawn. If you're looking for efficient, large-scale dethatching with the convenience of a tractor, this model is your best bet. What people say. With zero weight it worked perfectly. This is a very solid piece of equipment and with care should last me till I no longer need it. The Dethatcher worked flawlessly. I didn't even have to add any additional weight. Worked up the whole acre in no time at all, removing all kinds of thatch. Number 4. DT 15 16-inch electric Dethatcher and Scarifier. Introducing the DT 15-16, your ultimate solution for a healthier lawn. This powerful tool makes lawn maintenance a breeze. Achieve the perfect lawn with its 5-position height adjustment, ranging from +1.4 to -1.2 inch. Easily customize the raking depth for optimal results. Experience robust performance with its 15-amp electric motor, delivering up to 3,300 revolutions per minute. The 16-inch clearing path ensures efficient coverage. Promote a vibrant lawn with the 20-blade scarifying head, designed to aerate your grass. This leads to a healthier and thicker turf. Equipped with 24 steel tines, the dethatching head ensures maximum thatch removal. This allows vital nutrients, air, and water to reach your soil. It includes a detachable collection bag for easy cleanup, automatic overload shutdown for motor protection, and comes with a 2-year warranty. What we like. For those who want a comprehensive lawn care solution, this machine is a great choice. Its 2-in-1 design means you can dethatch and scarify, promoting deeper aeration for a thicker, healthier lawn. The included collection bag keeps your yard tidy, and the powerful motor ensures efficient work. If you're looking for versatility and a cleaner finish, this is the one for you. What people say. It's very lightweight, which makes it easy to maneuver around a yard, but it's got plenty of power. This machine pulled up piles of thatch while also digging a bit into the soil, which later allowed me to more efficiently seed and fertilize. The handle height is adjustable, so I could adjust it to my 5 feet 1 inch and then to my husband's 6 feet 2 inches height. Number 3. Sun Joe IONMAX 24V X2-16 LM Cordless Lawn Mower Kit. Meet the latest innovation in lawn care. This powerful tool is designed to make your yard work easier and more efficient than ever before. It comes equipped with two 4.0 lithium-ion batteries, providing ample power for your mowing needs. Experience the freedom of cordless operation. The included dual-port charger gets both batteries ready in under 2 hours. Its 800-watt brushless motor ensures a cool, long-lasting performance. Effortlessly cut your grass with a 16-inch mowing width. Easily adjust the cutting height across 6 positions, from 1.4 to 3 inches, for your perfect lawn. Keep your lawn tidy with the generous 12-gallon collection bag. It efficiently gathers clippings, preventing mess and saving you time. Navigate your yard with ease thanks to its easy glide wheels. Enjoy maximum mobility for a seamless mowing experience. What we like. If you value freedom of movement and cutting-edge technology, this cordless option is ideal. The IONMAX battery system provides ample power without the hassle of cords, and the efficient brushless motor ensures longevity and performance. If you're looking for a modern, powerful, and easy-to-maneuver Dethatcher for your yard, this is a top contender. What people say. The Dethatcher is lightweight and easy to maneuver around the yard. It effectively removes thatch and moss, leaving the lawn looking healthier. The adjustable working depth allows for customized dethatching based on lawn needs. Number 2. Greenworks 14-inch corded Dethatcher Scarifier DT13B00. Introducing the Greenworks 14-inch corded Dethatcher Scarifier, your ultimate tool for a healthier lawn. It offers the power and versatility you need to maintain your yard. With its 13-amp motor and 14-inch working width, this tool tackles dethatching and scarifying with ease. Achieve optimal lawn health with its efficient performance. Designed for comfort and convenience, its lightweight build ensures easy maneuvering around your yard. Starting is as simple as pushing a button. Effortlessly switch between the Dethatcher and Scarifier attachments thanks to the quick release system. This makes adapting to your lawn's needs a breeze. Customize your lawn care with the 3-position time depth adjustment. This feature allows you to effectively remove matted layers, promoting healthy growth. Keep your yard looking its best by using this tool at the right times for your grass type. It's essential for removing thatch and promoting vibrant growth. What we like. This is a fantastic option if you prioritize ease of use and maneuverability. Its lightweight design makes it simple to handle, and the push-button start means you're ready to go in seconds. The 2-in-1 functionality allows for both dethatching and scarifying, keeping your lawn healthy. If you're looking for a user-friendly tool for regular lawn maintenance, this one is a great fit. What people say. The Dethatcher has a powerful motor that easily cuts through thatch and moss. It features adjustable depth settings, allowing you to customize the intensity of dethatching. The collection bag is large and effectively captures debris, reducing the need for frequent emptying. Number 1. Goplus 2-in-1 Electric Lawn Dethatcher and Scarifier. Tackle tough mowing and scarifying jobs with ease. This powerful dual-function tool makes quick work of lawn maintenance, allowing you to switch between functions in minutes. Keep your lawn tidy as you work. The integrated collection bag automatically gathers weeds and debris, simplifying your cleanup process. Achieve the perfect lawn health. Easily adjust the working depth across 5 positions to suit different grass types and promote healthy growth by perforating the soil. Prioritize your safety and comfort. A double safety switch ensures secure starting, while the ergonomic grip provides excellent control and a comfortable working experience. Experience efficient cutting performance. Its robust motor and refined frame offer great maneuverability, and the angle adjustment allows you to adapt to various terrains. Store and move it with ease. The foldable handle design allows for compact storage without tools, and the carrying handle makes it effortless to transport. What we like. Consider this model if you need a balance of power and compact storage. Its 15-inch path efficiently tackles your lawn, and the 5-position depth control allows for precise adjustments for different grass types. The folding handle makes it incredibly easy to store when not in use. If you're looking for a capable Dethatcher that won't take up much space, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Switching the blade is fast and easy, we'll do a pass with the other blade before seating. The light body is great when you hit roots, just bumps around them instead of through them. Starts and stops are clean. Going around trees and obstacles no problem. Getting close to sidewalks, no problem. The bag is very easy to remove and add back. After 18 hours, I can do it blindfolded. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.